Next, I'm going to copy the install param.rc.sh file from home directory to the OpenStack installer directory. And I'm going to edit the file. Here I'm going to define a number of parameters. The first parameter is my SQL root password, and I'm going to change it to my SQL password. Next is the password of demo user of OpenStack. I'm going to change it to demo password. Next is the administrator password for the admin of OpenStack. I'm going to change it to admin password. The next parameter is VPN username. I'm going to change it to VPN username. And the VPN password to VPN password. The hypervisor is set to QEMU. The next parameter is the initial image location. This is the location of a Ceros image that we are going to use in the in OpenStack. The default value is set to the default location of Ceros. But since I already copied Ceros to the local repository, so I'm going to use the location at our local repository. And the name of the image is set to Ceros. The rest of the parameters have already been defined by the installer installation parameter generator web page. Now I'm going to save these parameters. And now we are ready for the installation. The first script program that I'm gonna call for the installation is the config installer.sh. This script program will replace a number of parameters to the OpenStack installer files. You have to keep press enter. config installer.sh script have just generated this OPSI installer directory. So we're gonna change directory to this directory. In the OPSI installer directory, there are 4 subdirectories. They are the compute subdirectory, controller subdirectory, the gateway subdirectory, and the network subdirectory. We're gonna change directory to the gateway subdirectory. The next command that I'm gonna call is the run verbose.sh with parameter 0. This command will update and upgrade Ubuntu on the gateway machine. Next, I'm going to run verbose.sh with parameter 1. this script will set the gateway machine to be a NAT server and a VPN server. And next I'm going to run verbose.sh with parameter 2. This script will create public and private key pair. I'm going to enter a passphrase. The script going to copy the public key to the controller machine. And then to the network machine. And to the compute machine. Next it's gonna move the public key to the right location on the controller machine. Do the same thing for the network machine. And also on the compute machine. I'm gonna run the next script, that is run verbose 3. Okay. Oops, sorry. Before running this script, I have to run SSH agent. And SSH add. And now I'm ready to run the run verbose 3 script. This script will basically copy the installer file to the controller, the network, and the compute machines, and then extract the file there. Next, I'm going to run the run install all OpenStack script to do all the installation, but I'm going to do that in the next video.